Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. Please watch this video to the end, and if you like it, then support the channel with a like and subscribe. Let's go. In this video, I will tell you about the cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu. I will tell you about its pros and cons. What do you think the maximum price of Shiba Inu will be in 2021? Write your answers in the comments. SHIB is an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community creation. The SHIB token is the first token and allows users to store billions or even trillions of them. This ERC-20 token, nicknamed Dogekiller, can remain a penny and still outperform Dogecoin. The token, which is popular all over the world, has already grown by thousands of percent. The Shiba token is the first cryptocurrency token to be registered and promoted on ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange. The live price of Shiba Inu today is $0.000008 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $445 million USD. Shiba Inu is down 3.01% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is ranked 33rd with a real market capitalization of $3 billion USD, and its working stock is 394,796 billion SHIB coins and max. There is no supply. It is believed that the price of Shiba Inu will increase in the coming years. It is predicted that by the end of 2021, the price will rise and reach $0.00002023, which is twice the current price. After the surge that will occur in 2021, it is expected that the price of Shiba tokens will continue to grow in 2022. By the end of 2022, it could reach $0.00000223. Prices are also projected to rise in the coming years. It is assumed that by the end of 2025, the price can reach $0.00003106 and will continue to grow. By the end of 5 years, it could be $0.00000386. According to the Wallet Investor Forecast, by June 0.000030, the price will reach about $2021. They also believe that the price will rise and by the end of the next 5 years will be around $0.000048. According to Digital Coin Price, the price of Shiba Inu will not decline and will reach approximately $0.00004398 by the end of 6 years. Trading Beast forecasts say that Shiba Inu is a good investment and prices will rise. They believe that by the end of 0.00000316, the price will reach $2,022. It is important to understand that the Shiba Inu had a great start. The timing for the new meme token was perfect. Those who missed the impressive growth of Doge were trying to catch the new wave. In addition, each new listing on the exchange helped to further raise the price of the coin. For example, when Binance placed a crypto asset, its value instantly doubled. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao tweeted that day that the exchange had run out of ETH deposit addresses due to SHIB. He also called the project exciting, but very risky. Shiba Inu's goal is to capture the momentum and use it to further expand its ecosystem, Changpeng said. The developers then sent 505 trillion tokens to the address of Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin in the hope that he would hold them. At that time, their total cost was about $2 billion. However, Vitalik immediately donated the donated cryptocurrency to one of the COVID relief funds. This led to an increased supply in the market and a 50% reduction in the price of the crypto asset. As you can see, SHIB is a speculative asset. It was created as an alternative to another speculative Doge token. However, Shiba is not backed by famous people who support him. Most of the people who bought it are those who missed the phenomenal growth of Dogecoin and want to try their luck. What do you think will be the price of Shiba Inu by the end of this week? Write your answers in the comments.